Hey guys, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. So today we're going to be doing a day in the life vlog. We just came back from vacation. We were in Charlotte, North Carolina, and we didn't like just come back from vacation. We came back on Friday. Today is Wednesday. However, I extended my vacation at home and had a staycation and literally hardly did anything, and it felt amazing. I really needed it, and yeah, I'm really glad that I just kind of chilled and did nothing. But today it's back to reality, y'all, and I don't know what that means. It's time to work, be working all the time, and all that kind of good stuff. So taking Ava to school. This is her first day back since, I don't know what day.
Friday. No, Saturday.
She had half a day last Friday. Ooh, there's an Escalade. That's the neighborhood Escalade. It's so pretty. And yes, I'm gonna have an Escalade one day. Anyways, I had the best sleep last night, so I'm gonna have to show you guys this amazing pillow. So as soon as I get back, I will show you the amazingness of this pillow, how it was packaged, because I literally feel like a queen receiving the packaging and how it was all packaged up. It was beautiful. So we'll go through that and then we'll kind of get ready and slay the day. So I am back, and I wanted to take this time to say a huge thank you to Gladgrid for sponsoring this video. You guys, I so needed this last week. I so needed this. Look at my little travel pillow. How cute is it? So you are going to see it right now, coming right out of the box. Like I said, it was the way it was packaged was exceptional. I love when people put that much detail into their packaging. It just makes you feel special. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll to that, and I'm gonna talk a little bit about the pillow, and then I want to tell you this real quick before we get to that footage. This right here, this little carrier, if you click the link down below in my description box, you are going to get this for free. This is a $38 value. This carrier alone is $38, and you get it for free for the first 300 people that go down right now and purchase this pillow. You will get this for free. This is a travel pillow, and you can hook this onto your luggage. Perfect for sleepovers, traveling. I was gonna say hotels, but I meant to say planes, but both. And this is just so exciting. So I love it. And let's go ahead and get to the footage of me unboxing. This is literally the fanciest pillow I've ever received in my life. It literally comes in this fancy little box, right? You open it, it's all tissue papered, and I mean, that's like the outside of the box. I'm trying to cover up. Yeah, that's the outside of the box. Cute. And then you've got this card. Like, what? Let me and look. This is fancy. Okay, this is what we have in here. $8 voucher. It tells you how to use your pillow. So I need to let it air out for 24 hours. So we're going to do that. And look at that. Nice. I feel like I'm at the Oscars or something. Oh, check this out, y'all. Oh, yes. Okay, so I'm going to put it right here, and I'm gonna let it air out overnight, and ooh, we'll get to laying on this baby. I like that. I like it a lot. So again, this easily turns into a travel pillow. When you buy this, the first 300 people that buy it through my link is going to get this travel cover for free. So I'm going to talk a little bit about the pillow while I show you how you put it in. You really have to push down on the pillow in order to get it all wrapped up snug, but once you get it, it's so perfect. But it is an adjustable pillow, and the heights are designed for all types of sleepers. So whether you're a back sleeper, a side sleeper, a stomach sleeper, this pillow has got you covered. It has spine alignment for better support. It has a nice airy design to keep you cool night after night. It has a very soft to the touch feel, and it brings exceptional comfort. And the pure cotton pillow cover keeps sweat wicking, and it's breathable at night. So I really love this pillow. I love the little carrier. It is just so perfect for travel. And again, don't forget to click the link down below for the complimentary carrier when you order the pillow. Are you guys traveling yet? Okay, so I was on the phone with this woman to schedule a cruise because I hear that it's possible that they're getting close in July. And what is everyone's opinion on? I know we're still in the middle of a pandemic, but you kind of get to the point, I'm kind of getting to the point where I'm like, my mental health is real important, and it's just, a year is just, we've had it, you know, and if it's safe and they are at capacity or like a lower capacity, we are going on a freaking cruise this summer, gosh darn it. I'm like, this is the year I've started working on myself. I'm making big changes in my life, and I want to take my kids on a cruise, gosh darn it. I've always been afraid to travel alone, and this is the year I want to do it. So hopefully, fingers crossed, the cruises start doing their whole little sailing. If not, we're going to go to Great Wolf Lodge. We're going to do what we do here, social distance, all the things, sanitize, wash our hands. But we are definitely taking a couple of vacations this summer because I am just so over sitting at home summer after summer after summer. As a matter of fact, this past spring break, I was just talking to Contrell earlier, and I was like, do you know? No, it was Ava when I was taking her to school this morning. I was like, you know, have fun telling all your friends about spring break. And I was like, oh, this was the first year we actually did something on spring break, because normally it's just like we stay home and we literally do nothing. So really excited that I was able to give them the opportunity, of course. So it's always good to make memories with your kids, and that's something I feel like, y'all, my son, he turned 15 this year. Next year, if I have him start working, if he wants to go work, he's gonna be working, and you know what happens when kids start working and they start driving, and I don't even want to think about it. Anyways, link is down below for the pillow. I wanted to shoot on over to some footage. Some of you have been asking about my pantry. Has it been sustainable? Has it been like fully functioning for me? Is it still looking the way that it is? If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I redid my pantry probably about 3 months ago, 2 months ago. I can't remember. I will link it down below if you haven't seen it, but it's a really good video. It's probably it is one of my favorites for sure. And I love how it turned out. So I wanted to show you guys a little bit of, it's not like quite a grocery haul, but I got groceries, and I show you, you know, the overview of me like putting everything up, how I actually, like when I shop, what I do to make the pantry and my fridge functional for me and my family. And I also give you an overview of how the pantry is still looking and all that stuff after several months. Because I'm gonna tell you what, this is the first time that my pantry has ever been worked on and stayed exactly the same for the most part from when I cleaned it. Like, it is so functional for me. So I always say, find what works for you when it comes to organizing. So anyways, I'm gonna shoot on over to that footage so you guys can see that little haul and what I do when I get groceries as far as like making my pantry work for me. Basically, when the groceries get delivered, because girl, I don't go to the grocery store. Like, I'll go to the grocery store for like, basically I'll go to Walmart or I'll go to Publix to pick up a few things. But I do not, like, I am spoiled now, and I will probably never, like, grocery shop like that at the grocery store. So I get all of my stuff delivered. I am a Walmart Plus member. I'm sorry, my allergies are, like, really messing with me today. So I have, like, a really stuffy nose. But, yeah, so I get them delivered. The kids usually bring them in for me, and then we all kind of go through. I will try to organize, like, you know, as you can see, I have the cereals lined up, and I have the tortilla chips lined up because I know that those all go in each
of their individual little containers that I have in the pantry, and then I will just get to work with putting cans up in the pantry, and I will do like the refrigerator and put the things where they need to go. Sometimes I will also go ahead and rinse wash my produce and put it up in my little produce containers. I don't think I did that in this video, but I try to do that as soon as everything gets to me, so that way I have all of it clean and it just helps with less waste. So here I am just putting all of the cereals in the little cereal containers. I do want to mention that I do have leftovers sometimes where the bag is bigger than the little container. So what I will do is I have a little basket in my pantry that is for overflow, and I just put it up there, and I always know to look up there before I go grocery shopping. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and finish putting all of these things in their little containers, and I will give you an overview and show you what the pantry is still looking like. I stated earlier, I'm like, oh my gosh, it looks perfect. To me, it still does, but you're going to see, it doesn't look as perfect as it did when I did the actual pantry overhaul redo, but it still looks so good, and I love going into my pantry because it's still so organized and so beautiful. So I'll show you that in a few when I get done putting all of these groceries up.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy,
So I just wanted to show you guys, I did a pantry overhaul redo. It was extreme because this pantry looked horrible before I did this, but it was like maybe about like a month and a half, maybe even 2 months ago that I did that, and I just wanted to show you this is how it still looks. Obviously it's not as perfect as it was the day that I did it, but everything is still working. My systems are for the most part still working, and everything is still super neat, super organized, and I love coming in here. It just makes me really, really happy. We have added things, and I've shopped multiple times, and you know, I finally have a system that works, and it really feels amazing. So I just wanted to update you on that. And then as you guys see, we just went grocery shopping, or I just grocery shopped. And I do Walmart delivery, by the way. I'm a Walmart Plus member. So this is the refrigerator and what it looks like. It obviously, again, it's not as neat as it was in that video, but it works for me and I really love it. So I've pretty much been upkeeping this as well. And again, it looks a little cluttered. Well, I just grocery shop, so like it looks a little cluttered. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Here's the side. It's fairly, I know it says spreads. I just wanted that to look pretty. And then this still looks really good, and so does this. So I'm happy with all of my organizational systems that I've been having. So that will do it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Huge thank you again to Gladgrid for sponsoring this video. Again, link is down below. Don't forget to go purchase your pillow and you will get this pillow cover or travel case for free. I am so excited to be doing some traveling this year. Definitely let me know in the comments down below. I actually was talking to this lady. I literally, not even kidding, 1 hour conversation with the lady at Carnival Cruise. She was amazing. We were sharing stories. We were talking about all kinds of stuff. And she told me about Christmas and Thanksgiving cruises. And I was like, I've always wanted to take my kids on like either a Thanksgiving cruise or a Christmas cruise. And she was like, you know, we could totally like go ahead and plan it out now for next year, like 2022. And I was like, oh. Ooh, and then, you know, you put a deposit down and then you're making payments. So when you get to the vacation, you've already paid. And, you know, depending on like how far it is, you know, your payments won't be that, and it's no finance charges, none of that. I was like, that is genius. So I'm thinking about doing that because I've always wanted to take my kids on either a Thanksgiving cruise or a Christmas cruise, and you know, we have to work around their schedule. I can go on a cruise anytime because I can work from literally anywhere. However, my kids, not so much. So yeah, I definitely am looking into doing that too, and she mentioned it. So anyways, let me know about your travel plans for this summer. And I hope that things, like I'm literally just staying very hopeful that things are going to be back to normal really soon, and that we will be like no more masks, no more any of this, and it'll be like a thing of the past. I'm remaining hopeful, y'all. I really am, and I really want to do a lot of traveling this summer, more than I ever have before in the past. So hopefully that'll happen. If it's not a cruise, it'll be somewhere else. So love you guys. Hope that you're having an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.